In this video, we will see how in few simple steps we can create a drop-down list like this in Excel. Let's get started. So first we need to type the data which we want to enlist in the drop-down cell. So type your data just like I have here. Now select the cell where you want the drop-down list. I want it here. So go to data and select data validation. Here, under settings tab, you can see this option allow. Now choose list from the drop-down list and then select the source cell like this. Then press OK. Now a drop-down should be activated in desired cell, and if you don't want the user to see the source data, then you can simply select the entire column and hide it. That's it. There you go. You have a nice looking drop-down list in Excel. Let me know in comments if it worked for you. I would be happy to see it. Thanks for today. See you.